Understanding, come on in. A friendly phrase in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a popular English phrase, come on in. It's a phrase you'll often hear in everyday conversations, and understanding its usage can help you sound more natural in English. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and its various contexts. Come on in is an informal way of inviting someone into a space, like a home or office. It's a friendly, welcoming phrase. When someone says this, they are not just asking you to enter. They are expressing warmth and hospitality. It's much more personable than a simple, enter, or, you may come in. The phrase is often accompanied by a friendly tone and sometimes a gesture, like an open hand pointing towards the inside of the space. It's used in casual settings among friends, family, or acquaintances. You wouldn't typically hear this in very formal or official environments. There are variations to this phrase, such as, come in, a bit more direct but still friendly. Please, come in, adds a touch of politeness. Make yourself at home, implies a deeper level of comfort and invitation. Each variation has its own nuance, but they all convey a sense of welcoming. In English-speaking cultures, such phrases are part of everyday hospitality. They reflect a culture of openness and friendliness. It's common to use these phrases when welcoming guests, even if they're just stepping inside for a brief moment. Understanding phrases like, come on in, can add a layer of cultural insight and friendliness to your English conversations. It's more than an invitation, it's a warm welcome, a gesture of hospitality. We hope this video helps you feel more confident in using this phrase. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.